of the Bybee Lakes Hope Center in the formerly unused Wapato Jail. It offers shelter and services for people experiencing homelessness, and it just expanded last week. The executive director says it's been a successful first year and a half.
Yeah, but there is a key piece still missing: money from the city and county. Fox 12's Audrey Wheel takes us inside.
Here's kind of the layout, so when people come in, they know exactly where they're going.
Fresh off of a remodel, we're in the Bybee Lakes Hope Center. It seems to have everything from a kitchen and dining room, boxes upon boxes of donated food, to a visiting area and playground.
And we have a full medical wing here and a dental wing.
It's a safe place for people experiencing homelessness to come stay and get services specific to their needs, all by referral only. The expansion means triple the bed space.
These are some of the nearly 200 new beds, and now with the additional capacity, they're able to bring in more people, up to 10 intakes a day.
The site is one of nearly a dozen Helping Hands re-entry outreach centers in Oregon. Alan Evans is the founder and executive director.
We believe we've created a data-driven opportunity for re-entry that is bulletproof.
People who come in get emergency shelter for 4 days and see if this is a fit. They can't drink, use drugs, or be violent. The center uses data to help them meet goals based on the information they provide when they come. And it's all tracked, from treatment to training. Nearby businesses, including Columbia, help with job placement until eventually people have the tools to go back into the community. Evans says there is some difficulty, though. So far, funding here has come from the state, a grant, and donors, not the city or county.
But we cannot sustain off of private donations. We just can't. It is not fair to us.
A Multnomah County spokesperson tells us Helping Hands has always had access to the same process for pitching programs for county funding as other service providers. And they recently qualified to negotiate contracts with the Joint Office of Homeless Services. But Evans says since their low barrier entry but high barrier opportunity approach is different from other homelessness efforts, they haven't found a way to apply to funding that fits their model. He says their other locations have only worked because of a strong public-private partnership, and this site needs that too.
I want to fight for every person who walks through this door to make sure they have an adequate chance to make it. And it cannot be done unless we can all come to the table and sit down and say this is an important element in this community.
We've been asking Mayor Ted Wheeler's office for a week now about his support for the site, but haven't heard back. In North Portland, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.